Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the autoplay default actions for when USB drives are inserted onto your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the devices tile, and then underneath devices on the left side, you want to select autoplay versus choose autoplay defaults, directing our attention underneath removable drive. Click the drop down and you can select either take no action, open the folders to view files. It could ask you every time what you want to do, or you can configure storage settings for the settings window. So you can make any of those selections, whatever your preference is, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.